Well, I've been clearing the back wall out, and today it's all about 125 years of creativity and collecting with Hornby and Royal Mail.
Casey Jones, steaming and a-rolling. Casey Jones, you never have to guess. When you hear a tootin' of the whistle, it's a Casey at the throttle of the Cannonball Express.
Hi, my name's Andy, this is my channel Modeloco for all things Model Railway. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, it won't hurt the bank balance. And yes, the HST Intercity 125 gets a mention in today's show in silver. Oh, yes, and the mallard too. I'm so excited, let's get on with it. Oh yeah, and my picture's now got pride of place. And we'll have a closer look at what I've been buying myself and also what Hornby are offering at the same time. But first we're going over to the Royal Mail website to have a look on this. And they, when you scroll down, have got a very good set of Hornby related things available. Right at the bottom here you've got sets of stamps and they feature various locomotives. I'll go through them in a minute, but we'll start at the top here. On the blog site at Hornby, it's saying the one to go for would be the Hornby Model Railways presentation pack. This fact-filled souvenir honours Hornby's enduring role as part of British model railway culture. It features all 12 Hornby Model Railways stamps in mint condition alongside evocative illustrations, which, when we go into them, are here. And yes, they are. From past to present. Tin train and everything else and such like. Intercity 125. And yes, here we've got the Pullman car coaches, the 6-wheel ones, well, the 12-wheel ones, the 6-wheel bogie, but 12-wheel in all. And now I've got the DP1 Deltic that will pull those. Of course, there, look. So yeah, a good set to look at. And to buy the presentation pack is £21.30. Just add it to your basket, form an account if you haven't got one, and go into there. So £13.60 will get you the Hornby Model Railway stamp set. 8 special first-class stamps show iconic Hornby trains that have captured the imaginations, yes, of railway modellers for more than a century. The 8 first-class landscape stamps are presented as 4 vertical settlement pairs. What a lovely word that is. And if we go into those... Now, if I bought a set of these stamps, I just wouldn't want to use them. Then we've got the Hornby Model Railways miniature set at £6.80. So 4 first-class stamps on a miniature sheet celebrate Hornby's rich heritage. The stamps feature classic packaging and promotional artwork from across the years. And yes, I've just got the DP1 Deltic, and what epic artwork that has got on it too. On the box I'm on about. The train's epic as well. It's going to go down in history, and it's already sold out. Go look at my review on that. Well, the sound-fitted version is sold out. And the Royal Mail train here that's coming back. So the automatic unloading by a very clever design back in the day that they're bringing back to life now. So we've got the miniature set, £6.80. Then Hornby Model Railways frame stamps and miniature set. I like this, $44.99. So this will be going pride of place on the wall behind me. This fabulous frame collectible features the 8 main Hornby Model Railways special stamps, plus the delightful miniature sheet presented in a stylish black frame. And if we expand those photographs, yes, that's how stylish that is. I like that. And the size of it is 42 by 32 centimetres if you want that. That's only available through the post office. But yeah, all good, eh? All good. Comes with a nice Royal Mail seal of approval for originality on there too. If you're into Hornby rewards points, and I am, then you should have been notified, but you can enter to win the Hornby Model Railways and Royal Mail bundle raffle offer. When you redeem points on your next transaction, you'll automatically receive your first raffle ticket for free. From there, you can increase your chances of winning additional tickets, just 250 reward points each. Enter as many times as you like. What could you win? A bundle of Hornby stamp collectibles worth over 90 quid. including stamp sheet souvenir, presentation pack, postcards, first day cover, limited edition, and the medal cover, which we'll show you now. So we're going to leave that and come down here now. This is being offered in the prize draw, the Hornby medal cover, $24.99. Now some might go, oh, this is the cash grab. Limited to 5,000 individually numbered editions, an exclusive silver-plated medal is beautifully presented on an individually numbered limited edition collectible that honours the legendary Intercity 125 high-speed train. Now, of course, this is coming up very soon for a bit of an anniversary. I'm sure Hornby have got a few things planned. But yes, this reminds me of the 00 Scotsman, the Pedlar edition that I've got, that came with a bit of a gold medal in the box. It's the Intercity 125 high-speed train, and this is number 2535, so right in the middle of that. And we can take this out of its envelope should we so wish. Just be careful, because we're saying it's something to be treasured. And this little gem peels out in true Hornby style. So have a look at that. That at the moment is on offer. A silver coin. I've not seen this before, but I do believe it is all encased in here to keep it in that pristine condition, but that's silver plated and keep it safe. So if you fancy something like that, like I did, why not? And you can order one, or you can enter the Hornby competition, get one free entry if you're going to buy something, or use your reward points, but you have to be registered for reward points to take advantage of that. And that has got a stamp on it already, look. It's been franked so you can't use it, but it's an actual stamp. Lovely. That's a bit of a keepsake as well for me. If you want that, that's there at $24.99. Then the Hornby Model Railways postcards are like these, £5.85. I think they're very reasonable. Some time ago, someone had sent me some cards like this, and I thought they were really nice. Now, they've nothing to do with today, but we have got these now presented from Royal Mail as well, because surrounding myself with these sort of things makes me happy. Why not? And these are a set of 13 postcards featuring reproductions of all the Hornby Model Railways special stamps, plus a postcard showcasing the complete miniature sheet. So we've got the tin train, Princess Elizabeth, we've got the 4MT tank locomotive, all like the stamps, the AL1 electric locomotive, we've got the Intercity 125, and that's coming up to a 50th year for Hornby. The Merchant Navy class locomotive, I know, firm favourite with a lot of people and a very good model. I've got quite a few of these, but not the Bournemouth Bell Pullman cars, but the others, lit. And of course, the Hush Hush. Book of Hornby trains, look at these. Aren't they lovely? 00. And you can send them to loved ones should you so wish. But I'm going to be keeping mine. So that's a nice little collectible, I think, as well. £5.85. And then we can go to the Hornby Model Railways stamp souvenir, £17. This is a non-personalised version of the Hornby Model Railways first day cover, featuring all 8 main stamps, cancelled with the alternative Liverpool postmark here. So as you can see, when we go into it, you're not going to be able to use these, but they do look very nice, and some bump in there as well. So that's that one. Or there is the Hornby Model Railways stamp sheet souvenir, slightly different at £8.80. So that's the miniature, the Hornby Model Railways miniature sheet on a non-personalised envelope. The 4 stamps featuring vintage Hornby artwork, which are cancelled with the alternative Liverpool mark once again, as we can see here. So you're not going to be able to use them, but it's a cheap way of getting that if you want it. So again, like the railroad models, you can choose your price point. Then we come down to this Hornby Model Railways first day envelope, 30p. If you're feeling really hard for cash, and that didn't come in my framed display, so I got this and the Hornby Model Railways bump in there to go with it, which is sort of featured on that framed unit. So have a look on the Royal Mail's site, because there's quite a few things to offer from the post office. And then we go to Hornby Model Railways press sheet. This is £68. I think there's 200 of these, yes. A collectible keepsake direct from the printing press. A limited edition of 200 numbered souvenirs, each containing 10 Hornby Model Railways miniature sheets. So here we have those. Sort of the idea when they were working it out, and you can buy that if you want. Whether that's your thing or not is up to you. Then we come to the stamps. For 102 quid, we can get a full sheet containing 60 first class Hornby Model Railway stamps. And that's the two that they feature. And then we can go for £51, a half sheet containing 30 first class Hornby Model Railways stamps. And you get the same two locos in that. Coming down a bit now, £102, Hornby Model Railways full sheet B, first class times 60 stamps. And in there, you get these two. Isn't that lovely? I'm really enjoying this. It's very sweet. And then £51, Hornby Model Railways half sheet B, first class times 30. It's like when you're collecting coaches, isn't it? B coach, A coach, C and D and all that. Right, that's that one. And then we can go to Hornby Model Railways full sheet C, first class times 60. And you get the Intercity 125 and the Merchant Navy class. Lovely. So coming off there, £51. We can go for Hornby Model Railways half sheet C. There we go. Same, but just 30 stamps. And then we can come down to Hornby Model Railways full sheet D, first class 60. And you'll get the Bournemouth Bell Pullman car, 12-wheeler. And I'm just bringing these out of retirement with my 4-wheelers as well, because they were heavy base, a bit flickery at times on your layout if your track's not clean, but iconic Hornby coaches. That, now I've got the Deltic DP1, they will pull successfully up my inclines. And there is the Hush Hush. Yes, in grey. Never really appealed to me, didn't this? But the more I look at it, the more I like it. It's a bit of an iconic colour, bland for some, but it's definitely one of those that grows on you. And then finally, last but not least, we've got the Hornby Model Railways half sheet D, first class. That's, you get your 30 stamps. And again, of course, the Pullman car and the Hush Hush locomotive, LNER 2021. Yeah, it's great, isn't it? So if you're into all that sort of thing, which I am, then go have a look at the post office website. These do sell out quite quick, probably not quite as quick as the Hornby sound-fitted DP1 Deltic, but nevertheless, I've got a stamp collection behind my head that I got for Flying Scotsman. That sold out really quickly, okay? And then, if not, you can go enter to win the Hornby Model Railways and Royal Mail bundle raffle. And that can be entered to anybody within the reward points scheme. So get on board with that. The reward points are excellent. They really do. Sometimes you get triple points, double points. You get all sorts of offers like this. Winner drawn on the 30th of April 2026. And terms and conditions there, should you so wish. Well, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. That's it for another one, and we'll see you down the line on the next one. Happy modelling for now, and for a few surprises in store, I'm sure, coming up. So stay in the loop, and until next time, happy modelling.
So long for now, we'll be seeing you when Casey comes rolling by again with a steaming porter and a smoking stack, and the wheels are striking thunder on the railroad track. There'll be Casey Jr. and the Red Rock too, Wally Cinders and the rest of the crew, in a thrilling adventure that's a lot of fun, when Casey takes the throttle for another run. Casey Jones, steaming and a rolling. Casey Jones, you never have to guess. When you hear a tooting of the whistle, it's a Casey at the throttle of the Cannonball Express. Casey Jones, steaming and a rolling. Casey Jones, you never have to guess. When you hear a tooting of the whistle, it's a Casey at the throttle of the Cannonball Express.